Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to do the installation of the Peppermint Devuan ISO. So the ISO comes with the XFCE Desktop. Earlier I had tried this ISO, but this ISO is not working. There are some issues and it won't boot up. So we will do the installation of Peppermint Devuan 64-bit XFCE Desktop ISO. Let us start. We will give the usual resources for the desktop. So memory is around 4 GB and storage limit 35 GB I am going to give. So here also you can see the same features are available. So you can do the installation with localization support. There are utilities. So these are the failsafe utility. The hardware detection tool is there, and the recovery options are given. So we will now go with the first option, that is the Peppermint Devuan AMD 64, that is 64-bit installation. The only difference in installation between the Peppermint Devuan and Devuan is that in Devuan you will get option to choose one of the init systems. So Devuan is basically a system D free Devuan only. There is no other change. So what we will do is, let us first increase the resolution of the desktop. Okay, so here you can see the welcome screen has come on the live desktop. So we are not going to check this out. We will check this out in the review of the XFCE Desktop of Peppermint Devuan ISO. I'm now closing this. Let us start with the installation. So the local region, everything zone has been properly selected. Now the configuration for the desktop keyboard layout. Now the options for the swap are no swap, swap with Hibernate, swap with no Hibernate, and swap to file. We will go with the swap to file. Let us see what happens. And extended for file to file system and XFS is there. Let us go with the XFS file system. We will not encrypt the system, or yes, we can also encrypt the system if you want. Let us go without encrypting the system. Now here you can see the choice for the different init systems is there. So three choices are there. System init is there, run it is there, and OpenRC is there. So you can check out the earlier video series on the Devuan, and I think in other Linux distributions also this is available. In Altix it is available. You can check it out. The video series are there in our channel. So system init is the default init system in MX Linux, and MX Linux also use the option. So it is a dual boot. So you get a kernel with the system init, and you get another kernel with the your system D. So both system D and system init are available in MX Linux, while in Devuan you have to choose any of the init systems. So 4-5 init systems are there. You have to choose between any of those. So you have to choose one. So here we will, let us go with the system unit, which is the default choice of the Peppermint Devuan ISO. Give it a simple password. That's it. So MS-DOS partitions will be created. 35 GB of the root file system will be created with XFS file system. And the installation. So it's just very routine. Only thing was that the choice of init system is given. So you have to choose between one. So three choices, you have to choose one, and just routine installation happens. Installation is quite fast, not the fastest, but quite fast. Okay, so the installation is complete. I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out the XFCE desktop of Peppermint OS, the Devuan edition. Bye bye.